Registration is mandatory before bay access. 3 tiers. From 20 to 40 minutes. Access accessories but avoid overtime costs. Care for your bike with personal pride. The most satisfying DIY experience. Activate your hydrophobic shield today. Smart DIY washing, only for two-wheel. We have custom care for matte and gloss. Register now and don't wait in line. Welcome to the ultimate self-service bike spa. Choose your package, from express to gold class. It is quick, easy and economical. Welcome to the ultimate self-service bike spa. Choose your package, from express to gold class. It is quick, easy and economical.